Are you ready to explore some of the most exciting and practical products that can transform your daily life, your hobbies, and even your gaming experience? From powerful fishing reels to innovative garden tools, from luminous lures to smart cooling fans, today we're going to dive into 6 incredible gadgets and tools that you definitely need to check out. Stay tuned because each product brings something unique to the table and could be the game changer you've been looking for. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Hot Glue Gun. When it comes to crafting, repairs, or creative projects, a reliable glue gun is essential, and this 40-watt kit truly stands out. Equipped with a stable glue gun stand and a heat-resistant silicone mat, it prevents accidents and protects your workspace. Unlike flimsy stands that collapse, this one keeps your tool safe and steady. The precision nozzle ensures clean application without messy drips. While the anti-drip feature saves both glue and time, it heats up in just 2 to 4 minutes, so you're never waiting long to start your project. With 30 glue sticks included, 20 transparent and 10 multicolored, you have everything you need for countless DIY projects, crafts, school decorations, or even quick household fixes. Number 5, Mini Hose Reels. If you've ever struggled with messy garden hoses, this compact and portable reel will make your life easier. Measuring just 28 by 13.5 by 32 centimeters, it's lightweight, streamlined, and perfect for patios, balconies, and small gardens. The 15-meter hose length gives you flexibility for watering plants or cleaning, while the 6 adjustable spray patterns let you switch between mist and strong streams instantly. Made with explosion-proof safe materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. No more wrestling with tangled pipes or rolling them up by hand. This is a complete storage and spraying solution in one. Number 4, X111 Cooling Fan. For gamers, overheating is the enemy, and this magnetic semiconductor cooler is designed to fix exactly that. With 7 adjustable speed levels, it gives you total control over your device's cooling, whether you're playing PUBG or other heavy games. It uses advanced 30 by 30 heat dissipation technology to keep your phone at optimal performance levels. At just 75 grams, it's light, portable, and universally compatible with both Android and iOS devices. It attaches securely without damaging your phone, ensuring you can game longer without interruptions. Number 3, Shimano Vanquish Reel. For serious anglers, this is a premium spinning reel built for lightness and precision. With a magnesium alloy Hagane body, reinforced Ci4+ plastic rotor, and micro-module gear system, it delivers strength, speed, and sensitivity. The Magnum Light rotor provides effortless acceleration, making it perfect for bass or trout fishing where precision matters most. With its waterproof X-Protect system, titanium bail wire, and long-stroke spool design, you get durability and smooth casting even in saltwater conditions. This reel is about reducing weight, eliminating noise, and maximizing comfort during every fishing trip. Number 2, Luminous Leech Lures. Artificial lures can make or break a fishing trip, and these luminous metal spinners are designed to boost your chances of a catch. Made of strong zinc alloy, they withstand tough environments, whether you're fishing in rivers, lakes, or the ocean. The luminous coating makes them highly visible in low light, attracting bass, pike, and perch even in darker waters. Available in multiple weights, from 5G to 20G, you can choose the perfect lure for your fishing style and conditions, making it a versatile choice for anglers of all levels. Number 1, KastKing Sharky Reel. At the very top is a powerhouse reel known for its strength and reliability. With an impressive 18-kilogram max drag, it can handle tough fish in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Built with stainless steel ball bearings, a carbon fiber drag system, and a reinforced graphite body, it's built for durability and smooth operation. The braid-ready aluminum spool and anti-twist line roller ensure hassle-free line management, while KastKing's technology keeps it water-resistant and ready for any condition. Whether you're on the ocean, beach, boat, or a calm lake, this reel delivers consistent power and control. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.